Hey friends, in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset this Amazon Echo Dot. This is a 5th generation, but it's going to work very similar for older generations as well. So what we're going to do with the Dot plugged in is come over here and we're going to hold the action button for 20 seconds. You'll get some prompts while you're holding. Again, remember to continue to hold until you actually hear the prompt for the reset. So I'm going to push and hold. We're just going to count. It's about 3 seconds, 4, 5, 6.
Now in setup mode.
So continue
Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So continue to hold even after you hear that. That's about 10 seconds, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Resetting your device. This'll take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Okay, as soon as you hear that, you can release. And then this is going to take, again, just a minute or so. You'll see the lights flicker on and off. When you see the blue light come back on and then the orange light come back on, you know you are back into the setup process. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Lets us know we're making helpful videos. Stay tuned. We're making a bunch more of these Dot tutorials as well as other Amazon products in the near future. We'll see you again on the next one.